Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all fine and be safe in your home. Okay students, have you all completed your classworks? Some students have completed and sent it in GCR also. Very good. Kindly finish your classworks and submit in GCR. Okay, let us move on to today's session. In previous class, we enter into a new chapter, right? That is features of word processor. Okay, in that we saw about how to open a word processor. Okay, right? We saw 3 steps to open a word processor. Have you remembered it? Anyone remember the 3 steps? Okay, let us see in this session. The step 1. Click on Start button from the Start menu. Then the second step, select Microsoft Office. Third, click on Microsoft Word 2010. Okay. A Windows button. Okay, we all able to see that, right? A Windows button. It is a Start button. Then we click on a Start button. It shows a box and it has many options. Okay, it has many options like Adobe Reader and then default programs, Microsoft Office. Okay, it shows many options. In that options, we have to select Microsoft Office 2010. Okay, when we click on that, it shows in another box. Microsoft Office has different parts, right? It has several parts and it shows those parts like Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, these in that box it displays these options. Okay, for in that we have to select Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, because in this lesson we have to open word processor, right? For that we have to select a Microsoft Office 2010. When we click on that, it shows in another box. In that we select Microsoft Word 2010. When we click on that, a Microsoft Word program will load and a blank document will appear on your screen like this. Okay, this is your blank document. When we click on blank document appears on the screen when we click a Microsoft Word 2010 option. Okay, by default every document is named as document 1. Okay, then we have several options to change a title. Then we saw about how to format a paragraph, right? See, in this paragraph we have done nothing. Okay, it is a normal paragraph. It looks like normal. We won't be do anything in that paragraph, right? Then we do some formatting tools, that is bold, italic and the underline. Okay, for shortcut key for the bold is Ctrl plus B and the shortcut key for italic is Ctrl plus I and the shortcut key for underline is Ctrl plus U. Okay, by using this formatting tools we have done this. Okay, we are formatting a paragraph like this. Okay, in a Word document we may not use only a paragraph. Okay, we are not using only a paragraph in the paragraph alignments. Okay, we also use a points wise also. Students, just imagine. Okay, I gave a homework, right? I gave a homework as a list the types of utility software. Okay, how will you write? You will write it in a point wise, right? Some students have written that they put star to indicate a points. Okay, we all put star, the tick mark or a dot to indicate a points. Likewise, in a word processor also we may type a point wise. Okay, for that points we use bullets and numbering tools. In that bullets we have lots of options like tick mark, a dot, circle, square. Okay, we have lots of options in that bullets tab. Then the next is numbering. Okay, in that numbering we have numbers like 1, 2, 3. Okay, how we write our questions. Okay, our first question, that is 1, right? 1 dot. We all write that question and answers, right? And then we have Romans, and then we have ABC. In a tick the correct answer means choose the correct answer. In a book back exercise, we select A option, B option, C option, right? For that usage, we use the numbering session. We have lots of options in bullets in numbering. Then we have alignments. Okay, paragraph alignments. It has 4 types, that is left alignment, right alignment, center, and justify. Okay, alignments has 4 types, that is left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and then justify. Okay, when we select a paragraph or any points, okay, then we click a left alignment, means it starts from the left side. Okay, it won't start in the right side, or it won't appear in the middle term. Okay, it won't appear in a center. Okay, it starts from the left. When we click on a center and the right, be able to differentiate, right? From when we click on the left alignment, means it starts from the left side. Okay, when we click on to a right alignment, means it starts from the right side. Okay, we able to differentiate these things, right? For every action we have to select a paragraph or any points. Okay, we have to select that and then click right alignment. It moves to right side. Okay, it starts from the right side. Then we select a paragraph and click a center alignment, means it appear only in the center. Okay, the points will only appear in the center, not in the left side or in the right side. Okay, we able to differentiate, right? When we click on the left side, it appears in the left side. It starts from the left side, and then the right means it starts from the right side, right? If we click a center, means it shows only at in the center. Okay, then the next alignment is justify, right? Justify means this is the default alignment in every document. Okay, justify is means we defaultly we have write your classworks, right? We have write your classworks start from the left side and end it in right side, right? This is the default format we have to write in a classworks. In a word processor, this is the default format. Justify is the default format. Okay, then the next thing we're going to see about line spacing. Okay, imagine if you write a homework, okay, without leaving a space in between a line. Okay, from for one line to another line without leaving a space, how it looks like? It looks clumsy, right? It looks so bad. We're not able to read that paragraph, right? For correction also, teacher put wrong, right? It looks so clumsy and it looks so bad to see, right? For that we use a space in between each line and each word, right? Likewise in paragraph in word processor also, then we type without leaving a space in between a line. Each line means it looks like this. It looks so bad to see, right? Okay, then we use line spacing. Okay, for using line spacing, select a paragraph. For every action we have to select a paragraph, right? Select a paragraph and then click on the right line spacing. It shows many options, okay, like 1.0 and 1.15, 1.5. It shows many options, and then we click any one of the options. I choose 1.5, okay, for this paragraph. Okay, be able to see that, right? this paragraph has no space in between these lines, and then it has some space in between. Okay, for this use we use line spacing in word processor. Then we're going to see about shading. Okay, students, have you listened that your textbook words, your textbook topics has been in colorful, right? The headings are in colorful and bold, right? In word processor also we can make a text shading. Okay, we can make a text shading. In this we have done nothing. Okay, in this I use a shading for line spacing. Okay, we can use shading for highlighting a heading. It looks so clear for who study this. Okay, who study this, right? We have to we may able to identify that this is a topic. Line spacing is a topic for this document or this paragraph. Okay, for this highlighting a text we use shading. Okay, select a line or a text. Okay, when we want to shade. Okay, then click shading, and then it shows lots of colors. Okay, then we click any color that is suitable for this paragraph. Okay, let us recall it. In this session we saw about we saw 3 steps, right? How to open a word processor. The first step, click on start button, the start menu, from the start menu, and select Microsoft Office. The third step is click on Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, then we saw bullets and numberings, right? In a word processor, when we want to list out some, for example, when we want to list out the types of utility software, means we use bullets and numbering tab. Okay, when we click that option, it shows many options, like in that bullets we have tick mark and then dot, circle, square, like this. Okay, in that bullet side we have numbers, Romans, alphabets. Okay, we have many options in that bullets and numbering. Then we saw about alignments, right? It in a paragraph alignment it has 4 types, that is left alignment, right alignment, center, and justify. Okay, then we saw about line spacing. Okay, without leaving a space in between one line to another line, means it looks so clumsy, right? For that situation we use line spacing. Okay, how we use line spacing? For that we have to select a paragraph, then we click on line spacing. It shows many options, right? It shows 1.15, 1.5. Okay, it shows many sizes, and then we select that size. A paragraph will be the paragraph as changed. Okay, then we saw about shading. Okay, for highlighting a text, for highlighting a topic, means we use shading. Okay, for that we have to select a text or a topic and then click shading. It shows many colors. Okay, then we choose any colors suitable for the topic. Okay students, let us stop this. Okay, continue with this next class. Okay, then we move on to second chapter. Okay, that is types of software. Okay, for this you all take your textbooks and then take a book back exercise in the second lesson. Okay, then we So a book back exercise for the second lesson. Okay, the first is tick the correct answers. Okay, the first question is dash is a set of program that controls operations of a computer. Dash controls the overall operations of a computer. Yes, software. A software is a set of program that controls overall operations of a computer. Okay, then second question. Dash is a set of instruction telling a computer what to do. Program. Yes. In your textbook, they give many options. Okay. You have to tick that option. Then second question. A program is a set of instruction telling a computer what to do and how to do. Then the third question. Dash is a software used to control and manage various devices attached to a computer. Answer is device driver. Okay, device driver is a software used to control and manage various devices attached to a computer. Then a computer only understands binary language. We saw that a computer only understands a machine language, right? Machine languages means zeros and ones. Zeros and ones or binary language. Okay, the computer only understands binary language. Then the two types of softwares are system softwares and application software. Yes, what are the two types of softwares? System software and the application software. Then write true or false. Okay, the first question. Scanning is used to move the fragments of a file to one location. Is that true or is that false? False. Okay, scanning is used to check whether the computer has had any viruses. Okay, it is a scanning purposes is check whether the computer has affected by any viruses. Okay, then the second question is Windows Defender is a utility software available in Windows 7. Yes, Windows Defender is a utility software. Then word processor is an application software. In our third chapter also we see this, right? Word processor is an application software. Yes, true. The fourth question is drawing software is used to calculate, compare and analyze the data. Is that true? Drawing software is used to drawing, right? For example, MS Paint. In MS Paint we insert shapes, we draw, we drawing, right? Drawing software is not used for calculate, compare and analyze the data. It is false. Then the fifth question is customized softwares is specially designed to fulfill the requirements of our clients. Yes, customized software is specially designed to fulfill the requirements of a client. It is true. Then the second is label the different types of system softwares. That is operating system, device driver, language translator and the utility software. Okay. Next is name any two. Okay. Name any two softwares. A word processor software, Microsoft Word, OpenOffice Writer. Okay, in some schools they use OpenOffice Writer. Okay, OpenOffice software. Then for drawing software, Microsoft Paint and Tux Paint. Third one, spreadsheet software, Microsoft Excel and the OpenOffice Calc. For presentation software, Microsoft PowerPoint, and then OpenOffice Impress. Last one is fill in the blanks. Okay, the interface between an application software and a hardware of a computer is called operating system. Then the digits 0 and 1 are known as binary digit. Yes, the three types of language translators used by a computers are, what are the three types? Yes, assembler, interpreter, and then compiler. Fourth question. The practice of protecting important data by making duplicate copies of files or folder is called. How we protect important data? By backupping. Right, backup. The dash software are used to create, edit, and format text documents. We all see in the third chapter also. Yes, word processor software is used to create, edit, and format the text document. Okay, students, complete your book back exercises. Okay, don't write it in your classwork, only complete it in your book back exercise only. Okay, students, thank you.